Round.
Number 30 going to the basket. Good for 2. Nakuha ni Akasili. Akasili ngayon ang bola. Akasili pass it to Ramos. Good for 2. Pass it to Rescopilio. Shot. No good. Rebound by Akasili. Akasili. Good for 2. Rescopilio, all the way to the basket. Layup is good for 2. Of Rescopilio, nagmamadali Rescopilio. It's a 3v3 situation. Go all the way to the basket. Good for 2.
Tira dong.
Good for 2. Akasili ngayon ng bola, pass it to Ramos. Ramos, pass to Akasili, shot, good for 2. Akasili, goal to the basket, shot, and a basket count. One minute and 38 seconds. Number 24, shot, no good. Rescopilio, lines it up. Good for 2 by Rescopilio. Liban pass it to Ancheta. Ancheta inside pass Oliva. Shot. Good for 2 by Oliva. 40. 29 seconds. 11 and shoot. Intercepted by number 16. Number 30, Chopper, number 30. 5 seconds. Oliva, dribbling the ball, go all the way to the basket, layup, no good. Akasili, wala pa rin, Akasili, good for 2. But there's a foul. Who's foul? Si to Ancheta. Ancheta ngayon ng bola. Go all the way to the basket. Scoop up is good for 2. Number 30. Pass it to Kasaway. Tapulog. Last up from 3. Tapulog. 3. Tara.
Nice one yan.
Pilio. 14 to shoot.
Talo kayo. Nice one.
Kildiza, pass it to Rescopilio. Rescopilio, 18 to shoot. Rescopilio, pass to Oliva. Oliva picks. Oliva shot, good for 2. Substitution rate. Good for 2 by Kildiza. De la Cruz, and there's a foul.
Shoot.
22 seconds. Good for 2. That's your second personal foul, the third foul. 6 seconds. Quarter, our official score is 35-27. Pinasakay de la Cruz is stolen by jersey number 20. Kildiza, inside pass.
Good.
9 to shoot. Kilisa.
Ayaw niya na daw.
Looking for receiver, pass it to number 24. Spins, jump step shot, it's a traveling violation. Ivan, pass it to Oliva. Oliva ngayon ang bola, all the way to basket. Layup is good for 2. Talanoga floater, good for 2.
Bebang, tabi dyan.
Anatu, pass it to Kilisa. Kilisa shot, good for 2. Shot, good for 2. 3 minutes. There's a foul.
Hey! Nice!
That was foul. Score up.
Bola.
Good for 2. It's a traveling. Alanoga. Pass it to jersey number 27. 16 to shoot. 30 seconds. Number 20 jumper. Good for 2. 25. Alanoga drive shot. Good for 2. 5 seconds. At the end of the third quarter. Nagawan ng buko. Nakuha ni number 24. Long pass to jersey number 20. Libreng-libre. Good for 2. 17. Jumper. No good. Number 27 shot. Block. Number 27 pa rin. Good for 2. Dead block na number 24. Number 24 ngayon ang bola. Pass it to number 30. It's a miscommunication. Number 20 Tabulog. Good for 2. Think favor abang tayo. Ang backpackers. Number 17. Pass it to jersey number 27. Making smoke. Shot. Good for 2. Remaining time. Looking for receiver. Aqua na Casili. After the cross. Libre. Good for 2. Tabulog. Tabulog kayo ng bola. There's a foul. Foul committed by number 4. Inbounding. Stolen by jersey number 30. Scoop layup is good for 2. Let's go video. Good for 2. Remaining time 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Number 24. It's good for 2 by Elisa. Isa na lang ang kalaman. Drive. No good. Only vangay ng bola para sa Rescopilio. Rescopilio. Number 30 set in play. Pass it to number 28. Kalanoga. Good for 2. The basket. No good. Pampay number 27. Layup. Good for 2. Pass it to Casini. Casini go to the basket. Layup, no good. Nagagawa ng buko. Nakuha ni jersey number 27. Rescopilio, no good. Kuha ni number 27. Napaka-intense ng laban. Una nag-nervyos ni SK. Kabit. 53, sorry. Oliva. Ano ito ngayon ang bola? Installed by jersey number 27. Pass to number 20. Tapulong. Scoop layup is good for 2. That's 1 minute and 54 seconds. Kiliza takes shot, good for 2. 51-57, sorry. Good for 2. 51-59. 1 minute and 24 seconds. Akasiri Pastor Ramos. Noon Ramos, wala pa rin. Ang walang Akasiri. Akasiri shot.
Bola, bola.
Number 20, jumper, short. Number 28 with the football. Last 1 minute. Rescopillo drive the basket. Bitawan ang bola.
Bigay lang, kasa lang. Nama ko. Pati oras ko.
Good for 2, 46 seconds. Kalanoga ngayon ang bola. 9 to shoot. Good for 2 by number 27. Last 10 seconds. And of the ball game. Back Pickers win.
65-59. 51.